Gang, got my brother on this bitch, man, so we ain't gonna do too much, man. One take, we about to get this shit over with. Hey. Who said I wasn't coming back with this rap shit? I was trying to get my money up and really stack it. They said they be posted on they block, we know they capping all year. Ballin' on these niggas, call me a basket. What you say, what you gon' do to me? It got me laughing. Niggas I heard poppin' fake perk, that should be Ashburn. Try to set up play, my team gon' bitch like we play Madden. Bitch, we get it crackin', bitches Tino lacking. All my niggas really play to feel like they play Madden. Birdie just brought a brand new gun, I should've Mac 10. If a nigga try to set a play, we blow us back in. Yeah, hey, we get it crackin'.
Bitch, you know it's crackin', you know them Glock be smackin'. If you run up on me, then you know that I'ma spaz quick. Shoot him in his homie, boom. Knock off his head, bitch. Shoot him in his homie, boom. Make him do a backflip. All his bitches on me, cause they let her wear that max bit. Get that boy a wig, get some makeup, he an actress. He thick it in the Snickers, so you know I'm tryna clap it. But I ain't tryna fuck because I know that pussy ratchet. Fuck you talking about, you niggas some pussies.